Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I want to show you how to write vertical text in Excel. In order to do that, here I have a simple table and I want to write birth dates of persons right here. Okay, first of all, we are selecting the B cells until the end of the table. I get also the header and until the end of the table once again. And after I select that from home, I choose merge cells and center. Okay, we're centering some of the text, and here we're gonna write, I'm gonna write it in capital, date, birth of persons. Person letter. Nothing is happening, right? Here I'm selecting the column once again. I'm gonna give the background of filling color for yellow, and I'm clicking right, yes, right to the this cell, this selected cell. And from here we are selecting the format cells, and from the alignment we're coming to other orientation. You can do both ways. You can do it by clicking the mouse and dragging all the way down the text. As you can see, it rotated to 90 degrees. I press OK, and you can see we have vertical text. Also, you can do it manually. I'm clicking once again right and cell formats, and from alignment I'm doing the following. I say I want to give the other example 45 degrees. As you can see, we have 45 angle degrees of text, which you cannot see it. But if I do it like this, I'm coming back, once again back, and I'm going to show you the other option that you can do it. You can also do it from home section and from alignment. As you can see here, we have the orientation, clicking this, and I want to have it like this. Date of birth, we can do the other way, date of birth of persons like this. We can also click it once again. I can give the other option once again like this. I can reset the column volumes like this, and I have a centered and perfect matching center and vertical text. So the video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.